Do you actually have to be separated the whole time before getting divorced in North Carolina? What does that even look like? And can one night with your ex ruin your separation? My name is Molly Brazel, and I'm a divorce attorney with Dummit Fradin in Greensboro. Let's talk about what one night with your ex can do to your separation. Divorce is really the final stop when it comes to dissolving a marriage. First, spouses have to be legally separated for the required statutory time plus 1 day. And while a separation agreement is not required, it's certainly helpful in beginning to work out some issues pertaining to custody, support, and property division. The first requirement for divorce is to be legally separated. To be legally separated, you and your spouse need to reside in different homes, and at least one of you needs to have the intention that that separation will be permanent. Generally, if you and your spouse continue to reside in the same home, you won't be deemed to be legally separated, even if you both intend to be legally separated. But stay tuned. There is a bill in front of North Carolina legislature that could change this. A separation agreement is just a contract between you and your spouse, and you both have to agree to the terms before it's enforceable. Separation agreements are very helpful in helping you resolve many major issues related to your divorce, including child custody, child support, spousal support, and property division. Separation agreements can also resolve more minute issues related to your divorce, such as who's going to remain in the marital home, who's going to claim children as dependents on taxes, and who's going to be responsible for various bills. So how do I get a separation agreement? Well, the first step is that you and your spouse have to be able to agree. And if there's no chance that you guys are going to agree, then a separation agreement isn't for you. If, however, there is a chance that you and your spouse could resolve all or even some issues related to your divorce, then a separation agreement can spare a lot of heartache and expense that's associated with litigation. A legal separation really is the starting point when you've decided to get a divorce. But don't worry. One night with your ex isn't going to blow it. If you have questions about your separation and/or the divorce process in general, give Dummit Fradin a call today.